Is your iPhone showing the annoying Siri didn't quite get that, try again error? This usually happens due to network issues, microphone problems, or Siri settings. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it and get Siri working perfectly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Open your browser and go to fast.com. Test your internet speed. If the speed is slow, turn on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, then turn it off. Also, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which performs better. After that, try using Siri again. Solution 2. Re-enable Hey Siri. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Siri. Tap Talk to Siri. Turn off Talk to Siri. Wait a moment, then turn it back on. Follow the prompts to retrain Siri to recognize your voice. Solution 3. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, update your device. That's it. Now you know how to fix the Siri didn't quite get that try again error on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.